we can start chapter number 8, binomial theorem, one of the most important chapter and one of the best, my favorite chapter. Now we know that a plus b square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b cube equal to, we know that a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube plus b cube. But what is the a plus b raised to 4, a plus b raised to 5, a plus b raised to 100, a plus b raised to 500? If power is more, then what is the expansion? This one gives us binomial theorem. Its general form is given by Iranian mathematician Mr. Mr. Khayyam. A plus b raised to n. The expansion of a plus b raised to n equal to, first write down nc0 plus nc1 plus nc2 up to ncn. These all are said a coefficient of binomial theorem. nc0, nc1, nc2 up to ncn are the coefficient of binomial theorem. Now a raised to n, power of a is now decrease. A raised to n minus 1, a raised to n minus 2 up to a raised to 0. And power of b is increase. B raised to 0, b raised to 1, b raised to 2 up to b raised to n. Now be careful about this one. Characteristics of the binomial theorem. This is the expansion. If n equal to 100, then it has 101 term. Like this is first term. Please close this first term. Say this is first term, second term. 1 means first term, 2 means second term, 3 means third term, up to n means n term. These all are n terms. And now add this term. I am adding this term. That means a plus b raised to n has n plus 1 terms. A plus b raised to n, expansion of a plus b raised to n has n plus 1 terms. If power is n, then n plus 1 terms. Power is 100, then 101 terms. Power is 200, then 201 terms. Be careful about this one. That means expansion of a plus b raised to n has n plus 1 term. Second one is nc0, nc1 up to ncn are coefficient. Okay, nc0, nc1 up to ncn are the coefficients. Power of a is decreasing form and power of b is in increasing form. But power of a and b, the sum of the power of a plus b equal to always n. Like n plus 0 equal to n, n minus 1 plus 1 equal to n, n minus 2 plus 2 equal to 2, 0 plus n equal to n. Means sum of the power of a and b are, sum of the power of a and b are n. These all are characteristics. Again I will repeat. Expansion of a plus b raised to n has n plus 1 terms. nc0, nc1 up to ncn are the coefficient. Power of a in a reducing form, power of b is an increasing form, and sum of the power of a and b are always n. Okay, say result number 1. This is say result number 1. Now I will run a more important topic of this chapter, and which is most important for the JEE. Replace b by b. Put b equal to, otherwise replace b by minus b in 1. ओके, यानी इक्वेशन 1 में आप b की जगह माइनस बी रख दो. सब्सटीट्यूट माइनस बी एंड रिप्लेस b. इट इज a minus b raised to n. Minus b raised to 0 is always 1. There is nothing problem. Okay, this is minus b raised to 1. That minus comes outside. NC1. This is minus b square. It is positive. Minus b square is positive. That means NC2 a raised to n minus 2 b square. That means first term is plus minus NC3 etc etc. The power of last term depends on n. The power of last term depends on n. Suppose n is an odd, then it has even power. One more power means if n is odd, then one more power. One more power means n plus 1 is an even. If n plus 1 is an even, that means this is odd. That means plus minus. Like 2, the last term is plus. Okay, then n is an even, then last term is plus, and odd, then last term is minus. Okay, now put this is say result number 2. This is say result number 2. Now let a and b equal to 1 in 1. Most important result of mathematics. Very most important result of mathematics, that will I prove. Put a and b equal to 1 in 1. A equal to 1, b equal to 1. That's why 1 plus 1 raised to n. This is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. That's why this is NC0. Plus a equal to 1, b equal to 1. NC1. A equal to 1, b equal to 1. NC2. Up to. This is 1. This is 1. NCN. That's why NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 up to NCN. Let this one is a left hand side, because this is most important result of mathematics. NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 up to NCN. 1 plus 1 equal to 2 raised to n. Say result number 3. Most important result. Okay. Now put a and b equal to 1 in 2. In equation number 2. Put a and b equal to 1. Into, therefore 1 minus 1 raised to n. This is 0. 1 and 1. 1 and 1. This is 1, this is 1. Minus, plus, up to. Okay? That means 1 minus 1 raised to n. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. 0 equal to NC0 minus NC1 plus NC2 minus NC3 plus etc. Okay, let minus terms in left hand side. That means NC1, these all are minus. left hand side. Take left hand side, that's why it should be a positive. Here is negative. NC1, NC3, NC5 up to 0 to right hand side. NC0 plus NC2 plus NC4, etc. And say this is equal to K. Say this is equal to K. This equation is most important for mathematics. NC1 plus NC3 plus NC3, these all are equal to NC0 plus NC2 plus NC4. These all are equal. These all are equal. And this is most important result for mathematics. Most important result. NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 up to NCn equal to 2 raised to n. Okay. Most important result number 1, and this is result number 2. Always important, this result. Okay. Now we remember NC1 plus NC3 plus NC5 up to n terms. NC0 plus NC2 up to NC4. Say this is equal to K. Say this is equal to K. Now I am use number 3 again. By 3 NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 plus NC3 up to NCn equal to 2 raised to n. Okay, now it has n plus 1 terms. This is n plus 1 terms. I am splitting into 2 parts like this. NC0 plus NC2 plus NC4, every even R is here and every odd are here. NC1 plus NC3 up to 2 raised to n equal to 2 raised to n. Okay, but this is equal to K. NC0 plus NC2 up to NCn, like this. NC0 plus NC2 plus NC4 equal to K. Exactly. NC1 plus NC3 plus NC5 is also K. Both are K. Therefore write down here. Therefore this is K plus K equal to 2 raised to n. Okay. K plus K equal to 2 raised to, this is K, this is also K, therefore K plus K equal to 2 raised to n, therefore 2K equal to 2 raised to n. Now divided by 2, therefore K equal to 2 raised to n minus 1. Okay, now K equal to, this K equal to 2 raised to n minus 1, that means NC1 plus NC3 plus NC5 up to equal to 2 raised to n minus 1. NC0 plus NC2 plus NC4, it is also equal to 2 raised to n minus 1. That means most important result, NC0 plus NC2 up to NC1 plus NC3 up to this is equal to 2 raised to n minus 1. Most important result of mathematics. Today I teach in this video the 2 most important result of mathematics. The first one is this, NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 up to NCn equal to 2 raised to n. Be remember this one. And second one is NC0 plus NC2 up to NC1 plus NC3 up to equal to 2 raised to n minus, here equal to. Both value has same 2 raised to n minus 1. Okay, the most important result of mathematics derived today, and it has been important. Okay, bye and good night.